Alright, here's the background on how I created my own track saw using a standard 6-inch circular saw, as well as some leftover materials I had in my garage from a prior project. So the first thing I do is attach the saw guide to the piece of MDF. Then I'm going to use the saw itself to trim it down, and finally use a hand router to create a groove. So the real trick of this piece is the base plate that I created with a piece of high density fiberboard mixed with an aluminum rail that will fit right into the routed channel on the MDF itself. Now, one change I made to the saw was that I added a small wheel to the bottom of the blade guard so that it's easier to lower the saw itself through the base plate. Now, I attached the plate itself to the base of the saw using the existing holes in the base plate, and these are just regular brass bolts using countersunk holes. Attaching the aluminum rail was trickier because there weren't any holes right where I needed them to be. So I didn't just attach the rail to the high density fiberboard plate. I actually went through the base plate of the saw and then countersunk the screws into the aluminum rod so that they wouldn't drag against the track.